Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rajesh Kamar as your companion on this journey to a healthier and more aligned self. In our previous video, we explored Parsvottanasana revolt side angle pose. In today's session, let's delve into Parsvottanasana intense side stretch pose. We will break it down step by step, discussing the pose's shape, how to get into it, what to focus during the pose, how to get out of it, the benefits it offers, and modifications and props that can be used. We'll practice together. Grab your mat and let's begin. Are you ready? Today's pose is Parsvottanasana intense side stretch pose. It is a standing forward extension where the body is turned to face the side of the room. Both legs are straight and wide apart. Arms are in Parsvottanasana or both hands come down on either side of the front leg while the torso extends over the straight front leg. Parsvottanasana intense side stretch pose. So we start with mountain pose. Tadasana, big toes, inner heels are touching, legs straight, arms by your side. Then bend your leg, bring your hands in front, then exhale, jump or step your feet wide apart. Bring your hands on your waist, turn your left leg in, turn your right leg all the way out so your trunk is facing the right side of the wall. Press into your outer left heel, bring the top of your left thigh back. Extend your trunk up and look up towards the ceiling. Then on exhale, extend your trunk forward. Press into your outer left heel. Then on exhale, bring your hands down or fingertips on the either side of your ankles. Keep looking forward, trunk extended. Press into your outer left heel, top of your left thigh back, press your right big toe mount. Then on exhale, bend your elbows up and out as you bring your head towards your right shin. Then to come out, press into your outer left heel, top of your left thigh back, both legs are straight. Straighten your arms, look in front. Then bring your hands on your waist. Press into your outer left heel, extend your trunk up and forward. Look up towards the ceiling. Then turn your feet to the parallel and repeat on another side. Turn your right leg in, turn your left leg all the way out. Now trunk is facing the left side of the room. Press into your outer right heel, top of your right thigh back. Extend your trunk up, look up towards the ceiling. On an exhale, extend your trunk forward, look forward. Press into your outer right heel, top of your right thigh back. Press your left big toe mount, both legs are straight, trunk extended. Then on an exhale, bring your fingertips or hands down either side of your left ankle. Press into your outer right heel, trunk extended forward. Then bend your elbows up and out. Exhale, bring your forehead towards your left shin. Trunk extended. To come out, press into your outer right heel. Press your left big toe, both legs are straight. Straighten your arms. Extend your trunk forward. Press into your outer right heel. Bring your hands on your waist. Extend your trunk forward and upward. Inhale, come up. Look up. Then turn your feet. Bend your leg. Jump or step back to mountain pose, Tadasana. Now we'll do the same pose, but our hands will be in Parsvottanasana. So I'll show you from my back. So we will bring our hands in Parsvottanasana where our palms are reaching in between our shoulder blade. Okay, you press your palms into each other, elbows reaching back trunk extended up, chest lifted. Okay, so we start from here. Keep your hands in Paschim Namaskar if you can. Stand in mountain pose. Then bend your leg, jump or step your feet wide apart. Trunk extended, press your palms into each other, trunk reaching up. Then turn your left leg in, turn your right leg all the way out. Trunk facing the right side of the wall. Press into your outer left heel, top of your left thigh back, trunk extended, look up towards the ceiling. Both legs are straight. Then on exhale, extend your trunk forward. Press your palms into each other. Then press your outer left heel, top of your left thigh back. Press your right big toe mount. Extend your trunk forward as you bring the head towards your right shin. Sternum lifted. Then to come out, press into your outer left heel, press your right big toe mount, extend your trunk forward and upward. As you inhale, come up, look up, then turn towards the center of the room. If you need, you can bring your arms to the side. Otherwise, repeat on another side. Press your palms into each other, chest broaden. Sternum lifted, elbows reaching back. Then turn your right leg in, turn your left leg all the way out. So trunk is facing the left side of the room. Press into your outer right heel, top of your right thigh back. Press your palms into each other. Trunk extended up, chest lifted. Then look up towards the ceiling. Both legs are straight. Press into your outer right heel as you exhale. Extend your trunk forward. Press into your outer right heel, top of your right thigh back. Press your left big toe. Extend your trunk. Then on exhale, bring your forehead towards your left shin. Palms presses into each other, sternum forward. Then to come out, press into your outer right heel. Extend your trunk forward and upward. As you inhale, come up. Look up towards the ceiling. Then turn your feet to the parallel. Bend your leg. Jump or step back to mountain pose. Then to come out from Parsvottanasana, you just slide your hands down. So your fingers facing down towards the heels, and then bring your arms to the side. You can bring your arms overhead, palms facing the front. Sometimes it really helps to release your arms. Then bring your arms to the side, mountain pose. So to practice Parsvottanasana, we can use chair. So you can bring the chair on right side of the mat. And then bring your right leg forward, left leg back. Same way, and then you lift your trunk up, extend your trunk forward, and bring your hands down on the chair. So press the outer left heel down, top of your left thigh back. Press your left big toe mount. Both legs are straight. Extend your trunk forward. Press your hands down into the chair as you extend your trunk forward, shoulders away from your ears. So you can practice this way. To learn this pose, first we need to learn how to achieve the extension in the trunk. So practice this way. Then press your outer left heel, bring your hands on your waist, extend your trunk forward and upward. Inhale, come up. And then repeat on another side. Another way to practice this pose, Parsvottanasana, you bring your two bricks on vertical height on the side of your mat. Then bend your leg, jump or step your feet wide apart, hands on your waist. Turn your right leg in, turn your left leg all the way out. So trunk is facing the left side of the wall. Press into your outer right heel, top of your right thigh back. Press your left big toe, mount legs straight, extend your trunk up. Look up towards the ceiling. Then an exhale, extend your trunk forward. Both legs are straight. Press into your outer right heel. Press your left big toe. Then bring your hands down on the either side of your ankles on the brick. Bricks are shoulder width apart under your shoulders. So adjust your brick. So this is the initial stage you can practice where your both legs are straight, trunk extended forward, hands presses into the brick. As you press your hand, shoulders reaching away from your ears, trunk extended forward. So it is essential to learn the extension of your trunk to go in the forward extension. So you can practice the initial stage. You can stay here in this pose, or you can exhale, bend your elbows up and out. As you extend your trunk forward, bring your head towards your left shin. Maybe you can just bring your bricks on the lower height if your body allows and practice this way. Then to come out, press into your outer right heel, straighten your arms, bring your hands on your brick, look in front. Then bring your hands on your waist, elbows pointing back. Then extend your trunk up and forward. Inhale to come up, look up towards the ceiling. Then turn your feet, then bend your leg, jump or step back to mountain pose. Same way, repeat on another side. Benefits of Parsvottanasana. This asana is particularly beneficial for alleviating arthritis and stiffness in the neck, shoulders, elbows, wrists, and hips. It helps correct a hunchback, releasing stiffness in the hip joints and spine and making them more elastic. While the head rests on the knees, it contracts and tones the abdomen, calming the brain. It also releases stiffness in the legs and hip muscles, improves flexibility, and ensures a smooth wrist movement. By drawing the shoulders well back, it corrects round and drooping shoulders, making deep breathing easier. In this series of yoga poses, we will practice another pose in our next video. Thank you for joining me on this journey to better alignment through yoga. Be sure to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and ringing the notification bell to stay informed about our wellness journey together. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'm eager to hear from you. Until next time, stay aligned, stay mindful. Namaste.